Hello, how are you today? It's our 28th day and we're coming to this 1 month end of 1 month challenge. And I just want to give you like tips and nuskes which you can just use in your daily work life. And as you already know, I'm going to do that today by teaching you how you can generate barcode in Excel and it is fully working. You can use it very practically and it's very easy to do. Okay. So for that, you have this table that is there is package which is package number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, every package has its own code, right? And that, according to that, package 1 has one code, package 2 has another, and so on so forth. Hmm? And then you can generate the barcode here. Okay, so without further ado, let's do that. I'm just going to copy this code and paste it here right now just for our use, we can say like that. Or we can just, oh sorry, really sorry. Hmm? It is just formatting glitch. So that to generate, you have to first convert all the codes that are given here, okay, to text. And that's why we can just convert this code into text. How we can convert it? Just go to the home tab, number sub tab, click on this arrow and go down here, ABC text. Okay, now these are text formatted numbers. Hmm? I'm just going to just make it little more automated. That is our step number 5, but I'm going to show you right now to just reduce our efforts. You can just make it, oh, I'm really sorry. It's already coded, right? So I'll just give this Calibri code, easy, and just, yep, drag it down to make it Calibri. Oh, it's still, wait, okay. So now that you can see, it's a Calibri code. That means we have definitely different kind of code right here. We want it to be a code that is needed to be downloaded, and you can download it in the EasyHide format, for which the website or the online link is given in a description box. Okay, so I can just take you there to show how we can download it. It's a dfont.com. You can choose any website. Okay, and then here are many kinds of format. Okay, what I have downloaded 2 3 minutes before is a CIA code 39. Okay, you can choose anyone, so you just have to download it. I can download it again. Okay, now that it has been downloaded, open it. Okay, now here is this format and you just have to install it. Either way, there is this you can just extract it all, or you can just double click it and then see install tab, you can just install it. Now I have installed it. It will do its own work. You don't have to do anything about it. You can just use anything, it will do its work. And then close the tab, restart your Excel. So you can see the instructions given here. You can restart your Excel and just what you have to do, you just have to apply this font to the bar, to the numbers we have got. So right now, to make it little more automated and make it very easy, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy this package code here and I'm going to do similar for every cell. So I'm just dragging this formula. Okay, and after that, dragging it, you can see, I am so sorry. Yeah, do you know why this is happening? It's because we have converted all this number into text, right? Now here I need a number. So first of all, number. So that is general. We don't want any decimals. And then we can do it easily. See, this is the options that we are getting, and that's why it's becoming very nuisance. Okay, enter. So you can see the format of number, right? Why am I doing this? Definitely the question to be asked, right? So what I have to do is I have to make it in a text format. So I have converted into text format. Now you can see it's all text, and also I'm going to convert it into text. So text, and then now we have two columns. There is no barcode yet, but after putting the package code in the barcode sheet, what we have to do is we have to select this number barcode and select the desired format, that is CIA code 39, right? It is here. Okay, CIA code 39 made, and just enter. You can see whatever number we have put, it's given here, and I can just drag it down easily. Same format, and you can see we have got barcode that is perfectly working. You can change the number and it will change accordingly. So rather than here, if I put 56, the barcode will change accordingly. That means it is dynamic too. We'll try if we put A, B, C, D some before. Does it work? Yeah, it works. That means it works for text and numericals because we have already converted the package code into uh, text format. So that's how you make barcode fully functioning and very industrially usable. And that's it for today. We'll meet on the 29th. That means second last day of our challenge. So see you soon. Have a very nice day ahead. Please stay safe and stay home. Okay. Bye bye.